Hi, and welcome to Marchborns. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through how to set up and use your Task Tracker Planner 2.0 spreadsheet. This planner is available in both Excel and Google Sheets. In this tutorial, I'll be using Google Sheets, but the Excel version works in the same way. It comes in both light and dark modes and is designed to help you stay organized, manage your tasks efficiently, and handle recurring tasks with ease. Over the next few minutes, I'll guide you through all the features so you can set everything up and get the most out of your planner. Let's start with the README and Setup tabs. In the README tab, you'll find a quick start guide with simple instructions to help you get started. Now, let's move to the Setup tab. This is where you customize the planner before using it. On the left, you'll find the category list. Enter the main areas you want to organize your tasks by, such as finance, work, home, personal health, or marketing. You can edit, delete, or add categories anytime. These will appear as drop-down options throughout the planner. Next is Task Status. Here, you can define statuses like Not Started, In Progress, or On Hold. Some examples are already pre-filled for you. Next is the Owner List. Add the names of people responsible for tasks. This could be team members, family members, or just yourself. Replace the sample names and add more as needed. Then comes Priority. You can define levels such as high, medium, low, or use labels like P1, P2, whatever works best for you. Once this section is completed, your planner is fully customized and ready to use. Next is the Variable Task Tracker tab, which is your central hub for managing all variable tasks. Record those tasks which are inconsistent or one-time tasks. Start with the checkbox column on the left. Tick the box when a task is completed for quick visual tracking. For now, we will leave it unchecked. Please note for Excel user, tick dropdown is given instead of tick box. In the status column, select the current stage of the task, such as Not Started, In Progress, On Hold, or Completed. For example, let's select In Progress from the dropdown. Enter the task name in the task column. For example, Update Inventory List. Enter the task description. A short description of task. Here let me write Add New Items and Remove Unavailable Stock. Choose a category from the drop-down to organize the task. Let's select Work. Set the priority as low, medium, or high based on urgency. In this example, we will choose High Priority. Assign the task in the Owner column by selecting the responsible person. Enter the start date. Let's say March 20th, 2026. Enter the deadline in the due date column. For example, March 29th, 2026. Use the notes column for additional details, such as updates or reminders. For instance, you might write Contact Manager for inventory update. The final column, Days Left, is fully automatic. It calculates how many days remain until the due date. As you can see, the value updates automatically. Overdue tasks will appear as negative numbers and highlighted in red. No manual input is required here. At the top, you will see the Overview dashboard, which provides a visual summary of all your activities in one place. The summary panel displays key numbers at a glance, including total tasks, completed tasks, pending tasks, overdue tasks, and tasks due today. Below that is the Upcoming Task section. This highlights tasks with approaching or overdue deadlines along with their category, priority, owner, and status, helping you focus on what needs attention first. In the center, the circular chart shows overall task progress as a percentage of completed tasks compared to the total. The priority by category chart shows how task priorities are distributed across different categories. The tasks by status chart displays how many tasks are completed, in progress, on hold, or not started, helping you understand your workflow balance. The tasks by owner chart shows how tasks are distributed among individuals, making workload tracking easier. At the bottom, the progress by category chart displays completed versus pending tasks within each category, helping you identify where progress is strong and where attention is needed. The tasks by priority chart summarizes the number of high, medium, and low priority tasks. Finally, the progress by owner chart shows each person's completed and pending tasks, helping monitor individual productivity. This dashboard updates automatically as you edit your task tracker, giving you real-time insights without any manual work. Next is Recurring Task Manager. This tab is to help you record your repetitive tasks. You can record up to 100 tasks. Simply select the task frequency from the drop-down. Let's select Every Week from drop-down. Next, enter the task name. Let me write here, Weekly Meeting. Next, description column. Let me write here, Meeting with Team. Let me select Work as category, and Medium Priority in priority column. Person responsible, let me select from drop-down. Select the start date by double-click the column and select from drop-down. Let's say start date was January 1st, 2026, and select the end date here. Let's select March 31st, 2027 here. Add notes, if any. Next, let's go to Recurring Schedule tab. This tab automatically generates the recurring task schedule. Here you can see the task schedule is generated. You can modify the date, category, priority, and person responsible here. Select the status of task here, and that's it for recurring tasks management. Next is the Calendar tab, which provides a monthly overview of your schedule. Simply select the month from the drop-down, enter the year, and choose the start day of the week, such as Monday or Sunday. The calendar will automatically populate based on your selections. No manual editing is required. And here are the filter options given to filter the calendar by completion, category, priority, and person responsible. The result will filter by each criterion. To print the calendar, simply select the calendar area and press Ctrl+P or this print icon and change print setting. Here, change is selected area, page setting landscape, and fit to page, and your printed calendar is ready. Finally, the Weekly Schedule tab helps you plan and track your week in detail. At the top, select any date within the week you want to view. The planner will instantly generate the full weekly schedule for that period. Monitor daily progress throughout the week. And here are the filter options given to filter the calendar by completion, category, priority, and person responsible. The result will filter by each criterion. To switch weeks, simply select a different date, and the schedule will update automatically. That concludes the complete walkthrough of the Task Tracker Planner 2.0. I hope this tutorial makes it easy for you to set up and customize your spreadsheet. If you have any questions or concerns, please feel free to reach out. And don't forget to follow Marchborns on Etsy and YouTube for updates, new templates, and future releases. Thank you, and happy planning!